Hey kids! Welcome to CVC Reading Practice Lesson 2. In this lesson, you will learn to read three-letter words with a short E sound. Let's start! B E D Bad. Bed. Next word. F E D Fed. Fed. Did you blend the sounds of the letters? Great! Next. R E D Red. Red. W E D Wed. Wed. B E G Bag. Bag. K E G Keg. Keg. L E G Leg. Leg. P E G Peg. Peg. H E N Hen. Hen. Is English phonics easy? Great! Next. M E N Men. Men. P E N Pen. Pen. T E N Tan. Tan. G E T Get. Get. J E T Jet. Jet. N E T Net. Net. P E T Pet. Pet. S E T Set. Set. W E T Wet. Wet. W E B Web. Web. Y E S Yes. Yes. Wow.